Get those people for me. Get them for me. That's what I'll tell you.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Hi, good afternoon, doctor.
Yeah. I'm here to discharge my son.
Oh, so sorry about that. Surprisingly, you've not heard about the kidnapping in the hospital.
What?
You've not heard about the kidnapping in the hospital.
What has that got to do with me? I just came to discharge my son.
It has everything to do with you. And we're talking about your child, yeah? And the child is in this hospital.
I'm sorry, what?
That's what I'm trying to explain.
My child was kidnapped.
And you don't understand.
My son has been kidnapped? Eh? My son was kidnapped?
Madam, calm down. It's just kidnapping.
It's just kidnapping. Where's my son? Where's my child? Doctor, where's my son?
It's mad.
Eh? Where's my son? What have you done with my son? What have you done with my son? Doctor, here's my son.
That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
Okay.
He's awake now.
Eh?
Yes, I was trying to tell you that have you heard about the kid that is napping in our hospital? That is your kid. Your kid was napping. Kidnapping. Kid is napping.
My son?
Yes, you don't let me explain. He's awake now.
Doctor.
Yes?
I'm sorry for the miscommunication.
It's so good. I understand. It's so good.
Can I see my son now?
Sure. Shortly after you go through.
Sorry, ma.
Yes.
Your bill is 200 and.
Eh?
Sorry. Your bill is 1.6 million, ma.
Yes.
Thank you, ma.
Sir?
Ma?
Your say 1.6 million.
By the grace of God. For the damages.
Okay, sir, can I see my...
No.
I cannot see my face.
That's all. Goes.